Heading on into Colt's barbecue this evening. Really beautiful, heading over to hole number 6. Let's rip it. Here we go. Canyon Mesa Country Club. A little windy today, but we're doing a nice little round, hitting some pars, getting her done, looking for some treasure. Really beautiful, heading over to hole number 6. Kind of passing through this little area here. It's kind of a shorter course if you are wondering. We booked a tee time, a little discounted tee time, including cart. I think it was like 48 bucks and change, but it's kind of a shorter par 3 where you're mostly working your irons, but definitely fun to get out. Different activities in Sedona area. This is the Oak Creek area of Sedona. So with this golf course, you actually do the 9 rewound once again as well. So you do 1 to 9 and then you do 1 to 9 again. 18 holes. Wind's calming down. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. Beesky just having a good old day. A little lion day today. Cutie patootie. Oh, you're so cutie patootie. Don't be camera shy. Alrighty, checking some stats now. Just had a cup of coffee. We were up a little bit earlier this morning. Gonna do a high intensity workout or very little rest time in preparation for this evening's beautiful meal. We are gonna be going to Colt's Barbecue in Sedona, Arizona. Supposed to have incredible barbecue. So we're gonna get a workout in. We're gonna get some lunch. We're gonna go get barbecue tonight. Don't know if we're gonna be doing a evening hike, then barbecue. I'm not exactly sure. So we will figure that out when the time does come. That's not bad at all, a little scenic. Goodness gracious. Little afternoon hike. If you're up this direction below the airport, you go to private drive, no outlet. We're gonna show you the little hike about. Look at that. Take it in. Back at it again. Summit Trail, Airport Loop, and Brewer. Heading on into Colt's barbecue this evening. So we got smoked mac and cheese, cheesy jalapeno cornbread, smoked brisket right here. Small platter $14.99, large platter $19.99. I think I'm gonna get the small platter brisket, cheesy jalapeno cornbread, mac and cheese, and we'll go from there. Colt's barbecue does not disappoint with the platter. Jalapeno cornbread, brisket, smoked mac and cheese, whiskey smoked brownie.